Hello everyone, this is Real Tpot 14.
Hi Ice Cube English or Spanish.
Joke's on you, I'm a GI.
Whoever moves first is lesbian.
Joke's on you, a hand a golden. Dog also, I have a cool trick.
Holy crap, she's so beautiful. Please be my girlfriend.
Eraser, you have to keep it PG now, we have to restart the video. Hello
Can't we
everyone,
just start
this
the
is
elimination?
Real Tpot 14. Elimination time. Team myself lost first, so let's start with them.
Add 69,420 votes Ice Cube.
Ice Cube, you're the first safe with 0.69420 votes.
I'm Grassy, hey, I'm supposed to be the first safe as always.
Second one safe, with 42,069 votes. Is third okay? Because you're safe, 28,201 votes.
Cool.
Why the hell do we have a hun? TF is my voice.
Sorry, the creator couldn't find anything. For you, sir, they gave you a Portuguese.tts, but you're safe. All down to Book and Eraser. Book is Elimina.
Add 2,763 votes Book.
Eraser is eliminated.
So my last words are,
Hello, wanna go on a date?
sure.
Bruh, where's Eraser? Whatever death pact, yet again it's elimination time. So your prize is Dies Cat. Fanny is the first safe with 38,292 votes. Tree is also safe with 31,938 votes, and Robot Flower 2 with 28,048 votes.
Am I safe?
Yes, you got 25,806 votes. Black Hole, you got 12,019 votes. You're safe. Frick you. All down to Gatey and Marker.
Nose.
Gatey got the least votes with
Let's go.
9,028 votes. Marker got 10,298 votes. But I wanna keep Gatey, so yeah.
No fair.
Sorry, but I still need some therapy.
So,
Hi, Marker, I cheated on Eraser. Wanna be mine?
sure. Also, you should keep it PG.
He doesn't know.
Oh, okay.
I'm starting to get bored, and the episode is too long, so I'll let the wheel choose the losers. It picked team myself and Cloudier. So yeah, viewers, vote.